baby, and slide my way. I play the catcher, baby, just slide.
Welcome to VeeHive. Hi guys, welcome back to VeeHive. Guys, I have been MIA because your girl, your sis, your auntie has been so ill. I am not past it. I just got up to see if I could move around a little bit, but I have been so sick in the midst of the last 6 days, being so sick, not being able to eat, barely being able to drink, no energy at all. Only thing I could do was just hug my bed. I lost almost 15 pounds. I put on this jumper, and let me see if I can have y'all to see. I put on this jumper, and guys, oh my God, it's like, from being ill, I dropped so much weight because I wasn't eating. Now, do I want to put this weight back on? Absolutely not. Thank you to Miss Renee and Mama Ray, my girls. They called to check on me. They was like, hey, we know you've been MIA. What is going on? Y'all, sick. And I came downstairs. I see things that need to be done, guys. Out of the end of last year, coming into this year up to now, if you know me and how I feel about having Christmas stuff up, you know your girl has been sick. I'm looking at my dining room right now. I still have wreaths on my chairs. And my bathroom upstairs, it is still all Christmas decor. My poinsettias, they're sitting here, but they are so pretty. They are so pretty. I got new blooms on it. Let me show you my poinsettias. Guys, they are still so, I got new shoots right there, some new blooms. There's lots of them. What I do, if I don't do it, my daughter will do it. We take it and put it down in the sink and put lots of water on it and let it sit there a day. And then I put them back up here a day after that and just let them be. For what someone told me, that poinsettias will grow year round, so you don't have to buy them every year. So I'm gonna try that to see if I have any luck. So yes, guys, I love poinsettias right now. They don't match nothing in our house. I do have 2 tablescapes that I need to record to show y'all. Or better yet, just a winter house tour. I did change some things after taking that big old Christmas tree down. Oh God, I don't know how long I'm gonna stand up here. I'm gonna have to go back to my room. My room needs to be clean, needs to be sanitized. But I want to see, I wanted some barbecue wings, so I need to see if I can cook a few of those to see if I can digest it. But in happier news, guys, my 23-year-old purchased his own car all by himself Monday. Today is Thursday, I think. Hey Google, what is today's? Yeah, today is Thursday. So he bought him a brand new car on Monday morning. So now I have a 23-year-old that has stepped his game up in life. So he has his own automobile, and praise, because they know I have been so sick. Monday when I tried to take him to, so he can do what I stayed in the car. I taught my kids very well how to take care of business for themselves. I used to have them to go in and pay my car note, light bill, whatever. show them what contracts look like and that. So he did a very, very good job. I will insert the picture of him in his new automobile. But he has been picking up my daughter from school. So it has been so easy on that because I have not been nowhere near my automobile since Monday. And I probably won't today, definitely not tomorrow. It'll probably be Monday or Tuesday before I get and drive because I am just that sick. I'm gonna tell y'all, I needed a carpet cleaner machine because I told y'all last year, I think it was back in November, that I contacted a carpet cleaning company for them to come and clean my white rugs and also the rug in the breakfast room. And they wanted to give me some hillbilly stuff. And I'm like, no. So what girlfriend went and did, I wanted a hardwood floor cleaner. So I ordered these. I got a Bissell turbo cleaner, and also I got a Bissell spin brush. So I'm gonna show y'all these. They're right there, but let me show y'all in a different angle. Don't mind that water, that's hubby's. So what I ordered was this. It is a Bissell spin wave, and it cleans your hardwood floors. So I purchased this and still have not gotten a chance to use it. And also I got this carpet cleaner machine, and it's by Bissell, and it is the Turbo Clean Power Brush Pet. And of course we don't have pets, but I wanted something that would deep clean, so I got these two. So when I get ready to use those, I will videotape them, and I want to show y'all on a video how I usually clean my hardwood floors, and when you have scuffs or whatever on your hardwood floors, how to take care of it. But let me show y'all my carpet. And it's just, we've been here in this house 3 years. Oh, it's no light, I'm sorry. I'm walking slow, guys, because my stomach hurts so bad. So, we see this rug. Here's the breakfast room. Not sure who spilled something right there, but besides this, all of this needs to be clean. So that's why I wanted a carpet cleaning machine. And also, oh, I thought I turned the light on. You can see there, this, you can tell the difference between up under the table and here. And also, I have no clue what this is, and you can see the difference, and I hate that. And on this one, you can see it like right up in here. So yeah, this carpet really needs to be clean ASAP and bad. So guys, I'm gonna heat me up something to eat. So I wanted pineapple because I usually eat lots of pineapple, but I don't want pineapple, I don't think. I don't know if my stomach's gonna really take this, but I love these. I love these. And I usually get them from Walmart, and they're like $7 or $8. And last week, we were in Bilo. If you don't have a Bilo in your area, I don't know what another store that would be called, but I found this, and look there, lemon berry pie. I love me some lemon, so I'm gonna cook me some wings, and I'm gonna go back to show y'all my bedroom and that mess.
Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Get you in the bed, we don't do much talking. Come to think about it, don't do much often. And that's how we like it. Never time for arguing and fighting. And if we do, you know it's quick to make up.
Have y'all seen the spoons that's shaped like this? Oh my goodness, I love these spoons. And they are made by, I cannot see that. No, you probably can't either. But I forgot who they're made by, but I picked these up at Home Goods. If I'm not mistaken, it was 4 for like $8. I love these spoons, I really do.
Said she wanna play around with the lights on. Said she wanna play around with my ice on. Lord, when she get to buying like a.
I want to show y'all something that I did with this before I got sick. You probably can see it a little bit. It has lights in it. So I'm going to cut my light off on my camera to show y'all what this looks like.
Slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave.
So guys, I'm back in my room. This has been my mess. So I have all my medicine here. Towels that husband put in the wash yesterday. He's out of town, so one of the kids brought it and I fold up, it's there. I surprised my daughter with a new cell phone, so she has the phone, but the box is here. And look at my nightstand, guys. Well, you know, I just brought my ice cream and my chicken up, but water, I was making sure I get lots of water. Cashews for some protein. Yesterday was the first time I could really eat, so I ate lemon pudding. So that, and I had some peppermint ginger tea. So I'm getting ready to get rid of some of this. I have jackets here that need to be put up. Guys, that's just how bad I was feeling. And if y'all really want to see something, when I tell y'all I still have Christmas up in my bathroom, look at there. Look at there. Christmas still in my bathroom. That's just how bad I've been feeling, guys. And that, besides these things in my bed, I'm forever sleeping up on a blanket. I tell you, that's my boyfriend, my boo, my everything right there. By Saturday, I have those put up, and I had to pick up my Guess and my Tommy Hilfiger boots from the shoe shop. Had on my K-Swiss the other day. They end up here. That's as far as I ever went. But other than that, guys, that is my bedroom. So the other thing that has not made it to the car garage is, guys, look what this is. It is in our bedroom hallway. So this will go up sometime. I even have over here in my office, that is a box of Christmas stuff. So I am still fighting fever, so ceiling fan it is. So guys, I just want to check in with y'all for a few. So this is not anything long by any means. I just wanted to check in, and the phone that my daughter got, I will insert that. I surprised her. I told her that she was going to get a phone. I just didn't tell her when. So I am going to set me up a movie to watch, Surviving Death. I don't think I want to see it. Do y'all remember that half and halves? So I might look at that because that's something old. So I'm going to set something up here. I see, remember Melanie with The Game, Moesha, The Parkers, Greenleaf. I never looked at Greenleaf. That's just not my thing. 101. So they got a lot of old shows that's listed. Yeah. So they got a lot of shows here. And I don't look at Greenleaf. So that would be an absolutely no. I love The Parkers. So I'm trying to see. That's Moesha. So I think I'm gonna lay here, eat my chicken wings, and I'm gonna look at this. So I'm gonna look at an old show. So guys, I'm gonna lay here, try to eat. Not sure when I'm gonna be uploading again. I'm sorry about the car chit chat Wednesday. I will make it up to y'all next week. So I'm gonna get off of here. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. And if you're new here at the VeeHive, hi, how, and welcome. If you're older but yet a goodie, hello and how are you? And guys, I'm gonna end this. You know I always say at the end, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.
Hop in the hood, baby, inside my way. I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way.